All right, fellow meme stockholders, XMAX Trading here. I'm going to go over some information about BBIG, which exploded recently in the past, was it Friday? Maybe Thursday, Friday. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and let's get started. So Vinco Ventures, otherwise known as BBIG. Vinco Ventures consumer products and digital marketing company. Its brands include the 911 Help Now, Global Clean Solutions, Purple Mountain, Royalty Streams. The company operates the following tools: Honey Badger Media and Pop Nation. Honey Badger Media is a full-service content monetization company, leveraging Pop Nation's so a lot of companies in Vinco Ventures. Huh. Gap down to 288. So December 15th, still complicated, risky. Vinco Ventures nevertheless remains a buy. Cryptocurrency mining could be key to Vinco Ventures. Speculation swirls, the Cryptide spin-off hype grows. All right, so let's look at the chart. So there's some definitely it pops up. Vinco pops up. Yeah, let's see. Boom and boom and boom. Look at all that. It's crazy. Price history of Vinco. Earnings dipped briefly. Earnings went back up. So Q1 2021 it dipped down, went back up. So we'll find out what's going to happen with Vinco. Institutional ownership. Let's go with institutional ownership. Current ownership, institutional owns 13.35%. Number of institutional, whoa, look at this, guys. 127 million in institutional buying, 304,000 sold. This is huge. Q3 of 2021. I guess no Q4 yet. That's pretty huge. Even in Q2, the ratio is 2 to 1. This must be 127 to 1, if not more. That's a huge. Shares held, market value, quarterly change, 2,000% change. 8.8 million shares. Hudson Capital Bay, Bank of New York Mellon, they don't screw up. National Asset Management, SharePoint Ops, Morgan Stanley, Hudson Bay, ooh. Renaissance Technologies, this is what I want to see. These guys, they know. Renaissance has the black box. They know what they're doing. BlackRock. I'm feeling really good about BBIG. Not financial advice. I think it's pretty exciting. Headlines. Unusually high trading volume, January 14th. Yep. SEC, so short interest. Short interest gets pretty high, 174 million. 207 million. Short interest is almost more than same as a float. Days to cover. Days to cover is really increasing to almost 1. So anything above 1 is pretty important. I don't know, guys. I mean, we can look at the charts too later, but like this is looking pretty good. Days to cover over time is increasing, so it could be the shorts want to get their pound of flesh out of BBIG. Percentage of the float, 22%. All right, let's look at FinViz. See, FinViz saying the short of the float is 22%. That's higher than AMC. That's higher than AMC. Screw it, I'm going on in BBIG on Tuesday. Don't do that. That's crazy. Everyone's getting excited about the stock. Institutional owned 18%, according to FinViz. Yeah, see, you usually see this kind of bull flag formation. At some point it's going to pop, right? So it kind of popped here, went back down. Oh, well, it's not going to happen. And all of a sudden, boom. And it might be related to the FTDs on BBIG. I don't know, guys. This seems kind of exciting. All right, so Vinco Ventures rebounds. Vinco Ventures rebounds with the company's TikTok-like app. The most visited website in 2021 is TikTok. That's important if you're looking at BBIG, as a recovery could depend on the success of its TikTok-like platform. Just to get everyone caught up, Vinco is a company that seeks to buy, innovate, and grow tech-enhanced businesses. Vinco is in a transitional phase, as the board is changing the company's name to Zash. It's a highly diversified business. For example, Vinco subsidiary Cryptide recently launched a joint venture into CW Machines LLC with crypto mining equipment and services provider Wada Management. There's definitely a lot to unpack when it comes to Vinco, so let's start with some quick technical analysis, see if there's a bargain to be had. Indeed, bargain hunters should be on the lookout for BBIG stock, as it was recently spotted trading at a crucial support level. In early June 2022, the stock was fairly close to 250. That's where it was trading in May 2021 before the stock popped to 525 in June. Furthermore, BBIG stock was near 250 in August before it hurtled to a 52-week high of 1249 in September. Yeah, that was another short squeeze, it seemed like. 250 to 1249, I'll take it. That's almost 6 times, between 5 and 6 times your money. Not financial advice. There's no guarantee of another rebound, but the risk-reward profile looks good when the stock gets down to 250. So even Yahoo Finance is saying it. Don't get the wrong idea. We're not telling you to wager your life savings on Vinco. The idea is to consider a small position and then possibly add to it as the stock declines. When TikTok launched in 2016, few people imagined the app's dance and lip-syncing videos would propel the platform to its current level of popularity. Yet reality is stranger than fiction. From makeup tips to cooking demos, content shown on TikTok attracts 1 billion monthly users worldwide. In other words, you don't have to like TikTok or even understand to appreciate its revenue-generating prowess. Hence, it makes sense that the next TikTok could be a serious moneymaker. There's a connection to Vinco, although it requires a bit of explanation. First of all, Vinco holds a number of investments through ZVV Media, a joint venture of Vinco and Zash Global Media and Entertainment. These investments include an 8% stake in Lomotive, as well as full ownership of AdRiser. But we'll get to AdRiser in a moment. Lomotive is a video sharing site that's similar to TikTok. Vinco states that Lomotive has more than 31 million on-platform monthly active users. That's really good. We'll have to keep track of Lomotive. Global platform, Lomotive is not some unknown entity. It's an established app that already has a deep user base. Vinco Ventures is aggressively promoting Lomotive, not only in the US but also in India. There are international aspirations. As Vinco Chief Officer Lisa King describes Lomotive as a global pure play video sharing social networking platform. Along with Lomotive, prospective investors should consider the impact of AdRiser. That's a publisher and analytics solution that with a focus on revenue attribution, which ZVV Media Partners announced its intention to acquire. Reportedly, AdRiser will be integrated into the Lomotive platform for ad placement revenue. Advertisers, according to the press release, will be able to schedule their ad buys across Lomotive's audience network, which allows Lomotive to monetize social traffic in all parts of the world where it has users. The takeaway from BBIG. It may take some time to untangle all of Vinco Ventures' investment deals and partnerships. However, it's worth the effort to understand all of Vinco's current and potential revenue sources. Among those promising income source for Vinco is Lomotive. Not as popular as TikTok, but Lomotive could present a similar ground floor opportunity. At the same time, you might have a chance to catch BBIG stock near a crucial support level. If so, you could get a reduced price exposure to a diversified business, and it may be the next TikTok. Vinco gets a B rating from portfolio. It's pretty amazing. So here's what's interesting about the BBIG Vinco Ventures short interest. So yeah, 12-14. Look at failures to deliver 1.5 million, 2.2 million, 2 million, 1.9 million. Settlement date. Look, I mean, 13, 14, 17, 18. I mean, it already spiked up today, right? If you go to the chart, I mean, boom, look at that. This sucker popped. So, FTDs are getting kind of high. We want high FTDs to spike them. You know, look at so FTDs, 4.1 million. The price exploded to $10, maybe high to 12, right? Back in September. 1.5. Where are we at FTDs? We're at 2.2 million, 2 million. So it might be that do some buying here. And then it happened in October. There was a spike, so it went from $5 to $8 in October. So prices come back down, and maybe FTDs will go back up. Look at all these FTDs. Man, the shorts aren't playing with BBIG. They want to hose this thing and make as much money as they can on the downside. Analysis. Let's see what stockspythonanywhere.com says. Oh, this is their short volume. Long volume, short volume. Short percentage. Short percentage is 55%, 45%, 57% on January 4th, 56%. That's pretty high. They're driving that price down, but the FTD's caught up with them, you know. Short percentage, 52%, 57%, and we're at 55%. Price is accelerating. Yeah, 61%. Wow, this thing is being shorted into the ground. This is pretty exciting. Short volume. Let's talk about AMC. Oh, short position of AMC is 62%. This website tells the truth. Stock Sarah, pythonanywhere.com. Pick your ticker. 62% short percentage. This includes part of the dark pools too. Oh man, 62%. 60%. December the 10th. Where was it? Wow. Pretty interesting. All right, let's look at the chart. So I have the EMAs. We're talking about now the 1348 and stochastic. It reversed. I do 1477. I want to see the big wave moves. Boom, right? Goes back down supposedly by. But there's a gap. There's an exhaustion gap. 22nd to 23rd. Yes, not a weekend. One of my buddies said, it could be a weekend. That's true. EMA 200. It really hit their top, and then it seems like it's stopping right now. But I don't know, man. This is pretty exciting. So, and Fibonacci-wise, from swing low to swing high, that happened in September, I should have sold. But anyway, it's resting on the 0.65, right? Fibonacci pocket. 0.618 and the 0.665 is some sort of special Fibonacci pocket. It's not going below there. So that means it might be a kind of bullish action. If it came down to this level, something like Yahoo News says it might be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. But who knows? Maybe retail own the float on this thing, too. I mean, God, look at that. This thing popped. Previous spikeability. How far it'll go up, I don't know. But, this is exciting stuff. All right, guys, until next time, let's talk about the stocks. Get our comments out, do some good DD, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.